Making a simple pink heart cake. Today we're making a simple pink heart cake using an easy vanilla round layer and basic buttercream. What you need. You'll need flour, sugar, softened butter, eggs, milk, vanilla, baking powder, salt, plus powdered sugar and extra butter for the frosting. To begin, cream butter and sugar. Cream the butter and sugar until the mixture looks pale and fluffy. Add eggs, add flour and milk. Beat in the eggs and vanilla. Then alternate the dry ingredients with the milk and mix just until the batter is smooth. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Divide the batter between two greased and lined 8-inch pans and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool and level. Let the cakes cool completely, then level the tops so they stack evenly. To make the buttercream frosting, whip softened butter, powdered sugar, milk, salt, and vanilla until smooth. Tint most of the frosting a soft pink and keep some white for the heart. Stack, crumb coat. Place the first layer on a stand, add frosting or jam, then set the second layer on top. Cover the cake with a thin crumb coat and chill it. To smooth pink finish. Add a thicker layer of pink buttercream and smooth the top and sides for a clean finish. Trace heart shape. Use a paper heart as a guide and trace around it with a toothpick to mark the heart shape on the frosting. Pipe, heart, and border. Pipe white shells along the traced heart, then pipe a pink shell border around the edge of the cake. Add a few pink sprinkles if you like, chill the cake to set the design, then slice and serve your simple pink heart cake.